In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement in context of hardwood. Option A, it is highly durable. This is true. Hardwood is highly durable because it is composed of dead, lignified cells. And compounds like tannins and resins are deposited in it, making it resistant to decay. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, it conducts water and minerals efficiently. Now, this is not true. Hardwood is non-functional for water and mineral conduction as its cells are dead and it is blocked with deposits of organic substances. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, it comprises dead elements with highly lignified walls. It is true, as already stated, it is indeed made up of dead cells with lignified walls. Option D, hence it is incorrect option. Option D, organic compounds are deposited in it. It is also true. Organic compounds such as tannins, resins are deposited in hardwood. Hence, it is incorrect option.